Ever wondered why Formula racing cars are so fast? It's because these machines are the embodiment of cutting-edge technology and engineering prowess. They represent our fascination with speed, our relentless pursuit of pushing boundaries. The sheer thrill of watching these high-speed beasts conquer tracks, it's something that ignites a sense of excitement in us. But what really fuels their incredible speed? It's a question that beckons an intriguing journey. So, let's dive into the world of Formula racing and understand what makes them so fast. The engine, often referred to as the heart of the car, plays a vital role in a Formula racing car's speed. Let's take a moment to appreciate this mechanical marvel. Like our heart pumps blood throughout our body, the engine of a Formula racing car pumps power to its wheels. It's a complex symphony of pistons, cylinders, and gears, all working in unison to convert fuel into motion. The engine starts with the intake stroke, where a piston moves down to let in a mix of air and fuel. Next, the piston moves up in the compression stroke, squeezing this mixture into a tiny space. The spark plug ignites it, creating a mini explosion that pushes the piston down in the power stroke. Lastly, the piston moves back up in the exhaust stroke, expelling the burnt gases out of the exhaust pipe. Now, how do we make this process more efficient and powerful for a Formula racing car? Enter the turbocharger. This ingenious device uses the exhaust gases to spin a turbine, which then spins a compressor, forcing more air into the cylinders. More air means we can burn more fuel, and more fuel means more power. Speaking of fuel, let's talk about the fuel injection system. In a Formula racing car, this system is meticulously calibrated to deliver the exact amount of fuel needed for each combustion cycle. It's like a finely tuned orchestra, each instrument playing its part at the perfect moment. This brings us to horsepower. The term horsepower is a measure of the engine's ability to do work. In the context of a Formula racing car, it translates to speed. A typical Formula racing car engine can generate over 900 horsepower, which is akin to harnessing the power of 900 horses all at once. It's this combination of a high-performance engine, turbocharger, and precision fuel injection system that allows a Formula racing car to reach such incredible speeds. So, the power-packed performance of a Formula racing car starts with its high-performance engine. Ever heard of the term aerodynamics? It's an invisible force that plays a significant role in a Formula racing car's speed. Imagine running with a large, flat board in front of you. You'd feel a strong push against you, wouldn't you? This is air resistance, or drag, and it's what Formula racing cars have to combat to achieve their incredible speeds. Aerodynamics is the science of how air moves around objects. In the world of Formula racing, it's all about managing this invisible force to the car's advantage. The sleek, almost otherworldly design of these cars isn't just for show. Every curve, every contour, and every wing is meticulously designed to manipulate the air around the car. Let's delve a bit deeper. The primary goal of a racing car's design is to reduce air resistance and increase downforce. The former is pretty straightforward. Less air resistance means less energy is required to move the car forward, thus allowing it to go faster. Downforce, on the other hand, is a bit more complex. It's the force that pushes the car's tires onto the track, increasing their grip and allowing the car to navigate corners at high speeds without losing control. This is achieved through elements like the car's wings and diffuser, which direct air upwards and create a downward pressure. The balance between reducing drag and increasing downforce is a delicate one. Too much downforce can increase drag, slowing the car down, while too little can make the car unstable at high speeds. It's a dance of invisible forces, one that requires precision and an intricate understanding of aerodynamics. Remember those cool-looking wings on the back of the car? They're not just there to look fierce. They're carefully designed to create a vortex of air that reduces drag and increases downforce, helping the car maintain its speed and stability even at the sharpest of turns. Next time you see a sleek Formula racing car, remember it's not just for looks, it's all about aerodynamics. Another crucial aspect that contributes to a Formula racing car's speed is its weight. Now you might think surely a heavier car would be more stable at high speeds. Well, this is a common misconception. The truth is, the lighter a car is, the faster it can go. This is because less force is needed to move a lighter object than a heavier one. And in the world of Formula racing, every fraction of a second counts. But how do these cars manage to weigh so little while still being safe and sturdy? The answer lies in the materials used in their construction. Two of the most common materials you'll find in a Formula racing car are carbon fiber and titanium. Carbon fiber is a modern marvel, a material that's both lightweight and incredibly strong. It's used extensively in the construction of the car's body, reducing the overall weight significantly. The strength of carbon fiber also means the car can withstand the high-speed impacts that are often part and parcel of Formula racing. Then there's titanium, a metal that's as strong as steel but approximately 45% lighter. It's used in areas of the car that require strength but also need to be light, such as the engine components and the suspension system. The use of titanium helps to reduce the weight of these parts, contributing to the car's overall lightweight design. But it's not just about choosing the right materials. The art of lightweight design also involves strategic placement of these materials. Engineers meticulously plan where each material is used to achieve the best balance of weight, strength, and performance. So you see, the art of lightweight design is a complex and delicate balancing act. It's about making the car as light as possible, but not at the expense of safety or performance. It's about choosing the right materials and using them in the right places. And it's about always striving for that perfect balance between speed, safety, and efficiency. A lightweight design means less force needed to move the car, which translates into more speed. And in the high-octane world of Formula racing, speed is everything. Let's not forget the importance of tires in a Formula racing car. They do more than just touch the ground. In the world of racing, tires act as the crucial link between the car and the track. They are responsible for providing the grip needed for the car to navigate safely and quickly around the circuit. In addition, tires play a significant role in handling and braking, ensuring that the driver maintains control at high speeds and during quick maneuvers. The choice of tire can dramatically impact a car's performance. Different types of tires are used depending on the weather and track conditions. For instance, slick tires, which are smooth and treadless, are used in dry conditions to maximize the contact area with the track, thus providing excellent grip. On the other hand, wet weather tires, often called wets, have deep grooves to disperse water and prevent aquaplaning. The compound of the tire also plays a key role. Softer compounds provide more grip, but wear out faster, while harder compounds last longer, but offer less grip. Balancing these trade-offs is a critical aspect of race strategy. Moreover, tire pressure and temperature are carefully managed to optimize performance. Too much heat can cause the tires to degrade quickly, while too little can reduce grip. As it turns out, the right set of tires is fundamental to a Formula racing car's speed. Behind every fast Formula racing car is a dedicated team of engineers, mechanics, and a driver. This team is the unsung hero, the driving force that keeps the heart of the beast roaring, the invisible force in check, and the tires gripping the asphalt. To maintain the car's peak performance, it's not just about tuning the engine or adjusting the aerodynamics. It's about a team working in perfect harmony, each member understanding their role and executing it with precision. The engineers analyze real-time data, constantly making adjustments to the car's settings to adapt to changing track conditions. During the race, strategic decisions play a vital role. Should the car pit now or later? Should we change the tires or refuel? These decisions made in split seconds can be the difference between standing on the podium or watching from the sidelines. And let's not forget the mechanics, the pit crew. When a Formula racing car comes into the pit, they spring into action. In a matter of seconds, they refuel the car, change the tires, and make minor repairs. Their speed and efficiency can shave valuable seconds off a pit stop, helping to keep the car in the lead. The driver, the one in the spotlight, relies on the team for guidance, for quick fixes, and for strategic insights. They're not just driving the car, they're executing a plan laid out by a team of experts. So as you can see, speed in Formula racing is not just about the car, but also about the teamwork. In conclusion, our journey today took us through the heart of a Formula race car, its mighty engine. We discovered the invisible force of aerodynamics, the art of lightweight design, and the crucial role of high-performance tires. We also learned that teamwork is the unsung hero behind the scenes. So the next time you watch a Formula race, you'll have a better understanding of what makes those cars so fast.